Hi everyone, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and I'm in my craft room again with another organization video. And today we're focusing on punches. And yes, I do still have a bunch of them. I do like to use punches still, even though I do love my die cutting machine. And so I do need a solution for all the punches that I've collected over the years. So I'm just going to pan over the main collection of punches that I have. In my previous craft room, I actually had these Beigel, I think that's what they were called, from IKEA, mounted on my wall. But I'm now in an apartment and I didn't feel comfortable mounting them directly on the wall. So what I did is I just went to Lowe's and I bought this, I don't know, what is it, probably 3/4 of an inch maybe to an inch piece of wood. It was pre-cut. And I just screwed the rails right into the piece of wood and then propped it against this door. Now my craft room is in a bedroom and this door here leads to the bathroom, but because it's right next door to the door leading out, I don't really need this door. So I thought it would be a perfect spot to tuck my punches away. And I just propped the board against the door and then just added my punches to the rails, and they are numbered, so I know exactly where they go. You can see that I've got P2, which tells me this is punch 2 row, and then each one of the punches has a number on them as well. And then I did fill this up, and so what I did is I used this over the door hanging bin system to contain the rest of my punches. So I do have handheld punches up in here in this little tin, and then these are just empty, or they have sponges in them, I think. And then I've got some larger punches in here, and then some of the smaller ones. All my border punches would be here, again some smaller ones, and then the last drawer is some jars. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But that's basically all the punches that I have. I do keep a couple on my desk on a permanent basis, like my corner rounder and some of my handheld punches, just because I use them all the time. But that is it. Simple and very effective. It's very easy to find the punches and put them back when I need them. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below so that we know what you've been up to. And as always, thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.